Good morning, students. I am Bhavna Sharma, your maths teacher. Today, in this video, we are going to discuss about further more concepts regarding geometry. In this video, we will discuss about lines and angles. So, first point is parallel lines. Lines that are always the same distance, they will never intersect. That means when two lines never meet at any point, they are called parallel lines. Example of parallel lines are railway track. Next is perpendicular lines. Lines that form a right angle when they intersect. Here you are able to see that when two lines intersect each other at the angle of 90 degree, those lines are called perpendicular lines. Next is intersecting lines. Lines that cross or that will cross at point at which they cross is called the vertex. So the lines that intersect at any point are called the intersecting lines. Transverse lines. Lines that intersect a set of parallel lines is called a transversal line. So here you are able to see that we have a parallel lines and a line is cutting those parallel lines. That line is called transversal lines. Now we will discuss about angles. So what are angles? An angle measures the amount of a turn. As the angle increases, the name changes. That means the turn between two lines is an angle and different angles have different measures. So now we are going to discuss about different types of angles. We have acute angles which measures less than 90 degree, right angle that exactly 90 degree, obtuse angle that is greater than 90 degree, straight angle that is exactly 180 degree, that means an angle made on a line. Reflex angle, an angle that is greater than 180 degree. That means greater than 180 degree is a reflex angle. One more angle we have is a full rotation. That is angle made on a point is called a full rotation angle. So here are the different types of angles. I hope this video is useful for you and all the concepts regarding lines and angles are clear to you all. Thank you.